Okay, we're going to now take the Wellcraft emblem, which is on the side of the boat, and see if we can get this cleaned up. As you can see, it's got a lot of damage on it, and what's basically happened, we think, is that it's covered with some type of clear coat that has started to fade and crack. And I don't know if you can see this now, if it'll even be in focus, but I did a couple of the letters. I did the last 3 letters last week, so you can actually see the difference between these 3 and the rest of these letters. And we're going to take the buffer and try and clean this up. Mark now has applied the polish to the Wellcraft area with his Powerball buffer. You can see a lot of the contaminants have come off around the W, but it's still looking a lot better than it was a few minutes ago. Mark's just going to apply some more polish and water and keep working it. Yeah, there's all sorts of stuff coming off on this, and as we work at it, we'll get it off. And it looks like this is going to come back to almost, well, looking like new pretty quickly. We're now going to apply some water to this area, and you'll be able to see these 2 letters have come back to almost brand new shape. A lot of contaminants that came off that Mark got off with the buffing pad, but wow. They retain their nice gold edges. Yeah, there's probably some areas that we could have worked, but you can actually see some gold fleck in here. I don't know if you can see this on the video or not, but you've got a reflection in there now, and you've actually got some gold fleck showing up in these letters. And we just did the W and the E, and you'll see what the rest of them look like. So if you're a Wellcraft owner and want to get your logos back to brand new, Acrylic Works polish is what'll work for you.